Hi dear students, good morning to you all and welcome back to the GK class. Hope you all fine and safe with your family. So in last class we learned there are three topics, isn't it? What are they? Addition and subtraction, what's cooking and work around us. Is it? So today in this session I am going to take next three topics. They are same or different, division and multiplication and games we play. Okay, let's go to the topic. I'll have you take page number 24. Same or different. On each picture, cross out the word that does not match the set. So here on each picture, 4 words are given. Okay, from it, which word is different from others, we should cross out that word. Okay, which word is does not match in this set, we have to cross out that word. Okay, see the first picture. This is rocket, is it? The words are fast, quick, speedy, crawling. Okay, which one is not matched in the set? The word fast, quick, speedy. These three words are the same meaning, is it? But the word crawling means, do you know what is crawling? Crawling means move slow. So these three words are same meaning, fast, quick, speedy. So these three words are same meaning, but the word crawling is opposite word of this three, is it? So the word crawling does not match in this set. So cross out this word crawling. Okay. See the next. Dull, thrilling, exciting, eye-popping. Okay, dull, thrilling, exciting, eye-popping. Do you know what is meant by eye-popping? Eye-popping means amazing. Okay, so the word thrilling, exciting and eye-popping is same meaning. But the word dull is opposite word for this three. You see, so this word dull does not match in this set. So just you cross out this word. The next one is beautiful, horrible, lovely, wonderful. So here which one is not matched in the set? The word horrible. See the other three words are the same meaning. Is it? The word beautiful, lovely, wonderful. These three words are same meaning, but the word horrible. Do you know what is meant by horrible? Horrible means fearful. It looks terrible. Okay, so horrible. So these three words are same meaning, but the word horrible is opposite word for this three. Is it? So the word horrible does not match in this set. So you cross out this word. Okay. See the next exercise. Choose the right words to describe the picture. Before doing this exercise, once you observe this picture carefully, shall we do? The crocodile is tiny or enormous. You can see the crocodile in the picture, is it? So how the crocodile is? It's tiny or enormous. Tiny means very small, is it? Enormous means very large in size. Okay, so how the crocodile is? Tiny or enormous? The crocodile is enormous. So put the tick on enormous. Its mouth is narrow or wide? Mouth is narrow or wide? Wide. Said wide means it's very broad. So put the tick on wide. Its teeth are blunt or sharp? How the teeth are? The teeth are very sharp, is it? So put the tick on sharp. The children look frightened or unafraid? How the children are? The children all looks frightened, is it? So put the tick on frightened. They think that the crocodile is harmless or dangerous. The crocodile is dangerous. Is it? So put the tick on dangerous. See this box. Wise Owl says turned off means stopped. Just to underline this word stopped. Turned off means stopped using something. For example, we turned off the tap. Okay, turned off means stopped. Okay. The next, went off means started making a sound. Okay, went off means started. Just to underline this word started. Went off means started making a sound. For example, the alarm went off at 6 o'clock. Went off means what? Started. The alarm started at 6 o'clock. Okay. Take the next page. Division and multiplication. Fill in the numbers that live in each number's family house. The first one has been done as an example. So in this page, we are going to see division and multiplication. Okay, so in your previous classes, you have already learned the division and multiplication in your math subject. Is it? So to do multiplication and division, you should know the multiplication tables. Hope you all know at least up to 5th table. Isn't it? See the first picture. You can see 3 numbers at the top. Is it? The numbers are 3, 2, 6. So by using these 3 numbers, we are going to do this division and multiplication. Okay. See the first one, 3 into 2. So here we have to use the second table. Is it? So 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6. Okay. The second one is 2 into 3. So here we have to use the third table. Okay. The 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6. Next, 6 divided by 2. 6 divided by 2. So to do this, let us find out how many times 2 is 6. So think of the table 2. So 3 2s are 6. So the answer is what? 3. Okay. The next one is 6 divided by 3. 6 divided by 3. Here we have to think of the table 3. Is it? So how many times 3 is 6? 2 times. Is it? So the answer is 2. 2 3s are 6. See the next one. The numbers are 8, 4, 2. So here the first one is 4 into 2. 4 into 2 means we have to think of the second table. So 4 2s are 8. So right here 8. And the next 2 into 4. 2 into 4 means we have to think of the table 4. Is it? So 2 4s are 8. Again answer is 8. Then 8 divided by 2. Here we have to think of the table 2. So how many times 2 is 8? 4 times. Okay. So 4 2s are 8. So the answer is 4. Then 8 divided by 4. Here we have to think of the table 4 and we have to find out how many times 4 is 8. So how many times 4 is 8? 2. 2 4s are 8. Okay. See the next. The numbers are 20, 10, 2. Okay. The first one is 10 into 2, which means we have to think of the table 2. 10 2s are 20. The answer is 20. The next one is 2 into dash is 20. 2 into 10 is 20. 2 tens are 20. Is it? The next 20 divided by 2. 20 divided by 2. So here we have to think of the table 2 and we have to find out how many times 2 is 20. The answer is 10. 10 twos are 20. Is it? And the next one is 20 divided by 10. 20 divided by 10. Here we have to use the table 10. Is it? So we have to find out how many times the 10 is 20. Is it? 2 times. 2 10 is 20. See the next one. Only the numbers are given at the top. So we have to do all the remaining things by ourselves. Okay. So shall we write the first one? So the first one, 5 into 3. 5 into 3 means we have to think about the table 3. Is it? 5 threes are 15. Answer is 15. The next one is 3 into 5. Okay, 3 into 5. Here we have to think of the table 5. So 3 5s are 15. And the next 15 divided by 3. Okay, here we have to think of the table 3. Is it? And we have to find out how many times the 3 is in 15. Is it? So 5 threes are 15. The answer is 5. And the next 15 divided by 5. So here we have to think of the table 5 and we have to find out how many times the 5 is 15. How many times? 3. So 3 5s are 15. See this last one. Fill in your own number family in this last house. Okay, so I am giving this number family as a homework. As you wish, you can select 3 numbers and do it in your own way. Okay, so this is a homework. See this voice out says, the best way to multiply your happiness is to share it with others. Okay, take the next page. Games we play. Look at the pictures of different games given below. Let's see what are the pictures. Hide and seek, carom, hopscotch, ludo, pick up sticks, snakes and ladders, blindsman buff. Okay, with the help of this picture we have to find out the names of games. Okay, the first one is one game in which players have to stay very still and quiet. So in which game the players have to stay very still and quiet? Game hide and seek. Is it? So write hide and seek on this dash. Hide and seek. Okay. The second one is two games which need a den. Den means a hidden place. Okay. So what are the games we need den? Hide and seek and blind man's buff. Is it? So write hide and seek, comma, blind man's buff. Okay. The next one is 3 games which need a board. So what are the games we use boards? Carom, ludo, snakes and ladders. Is it? So write first carom, CARROM, carom, comma, Ludo, come on, snakes and ladder, and ladders. Okay, the next one is 3 outdoor games. What are they? Hide and seek, hopscotch, blind man's buff. So write hide and seek, come on, hopscotch, and blind man's buff. The next 4 indoor games. What are the 4 indoor games? Carom, Ludo, pick up sticks, snakes and ladder. Okay, so write Carom, Ludo, pick up sticks, and snakes and ladder. Okay, and the last one is 5 games that need more than one person to play. So what are the games we need more than one person to play? Hide and seek, Carom, Ludo, snakes and ladder, blind man's buff. Hopscotch and pick up sticks we can play with only one person. Is it? So all the other games we need more than one person. Is it? So write hide and seek, come on, Carom, Ludo, snakes and ladder, and blind man's buff, P-U-F-F. Okay, see this box, voice out says the first one is Scrabble. Scrabble is a word building game. Okay, Scrabble means a word building game. Just to underline this word building game. Next one is Pictionary. Pictionary is a word game in which you have to draw and guess. Okay, underline this word draw and guess. Okay, Pictionary is a word game. Okay, Pictionary is a word game in which you have to draw and guess. Okay, underline this word draw and guess. Next one is charades. Charades means is a game in which you have to mime and guess. Underline this word mime and guess. Okay, charades is a game in which you have to mime and guess. So that's all today. I hope you all understand whatever I taught today. So we will see you in the next class. Okay, stay safe and take care. Bye.